Hi, this is Colleen. I just wanted to go over your paper with you. I think you have a great start. I just wanted to talk to you about maybe looking at the APA formatting. You can find this on the website. There's great resources available for you that you can look at that will help you with the APA. For APA, you need a cover page, and that's with your name, the name of the course, and the name of the paper and the date. You also need to have a header, which be right up here that would say the name of the paper, and also to have your pages numbered. So that's something that you can find on the website. If you have any issues or problems with that, just let me know and I can help you with that. So I'm going to go over your paper with you. I know it can seem a little overwhelming, but as we go through this, you'll understand a little bit more. So here you had Florence written again. And since you already stated it here, you don't need to put that in again. What you want, I deleted that, and you just need to put a comma there. Here also, you have female, but you need a comma for the S. I think that's something that maybe you just forgot to put in. And a comma here, Florence found that there was a lack of education for women, comma, as nurses in the training was not standardized. And I think I changed something here. I added it is, she is well known for her role in caring for the injured soldiers during the Korean War. This was spelt wrong, so I corrected it. Another great feature that you have right on your Word is you can do spell check. And let me tell you, I use that all the time. Helps me out tremendously. So that's just things to look forward when you're doing your paper. Another thing I just wanted to mention when you're doing your paper is I know sometimes for myself, I'll write what I think, but it's important to go through and delete words that aren't really necessary. Let me go through here with you. Here you have as stated. This, you don't put this part in. All you want to do to reference is put the author's last name. If there's more, then you put their last names and then the date that it was published. So that's something you'd want to change. And then you're going to put a comma after you put the author's last name and the year and then a comma. I did change a couple things. I deleted she and added her name, Florence. Made history when she took 38 because you have she here. So I just put Florence made history when she took 38 nurses to Turkey. And I put this in to try to improve the squalid, filthy conditions she found in the British field hospitals. The wounded see Florence and the other nurses coming in with their oil lamps. And then I would put a comma here. I'd make this one sentence. These lamps became a sign of caring, comfort, and often the difference between life and death. So I'd get rid of the S there and make this one whole sentence. I would also include this paragraph here with this paragraph because you're still talking about the lamps. The lamp is a significant symbol of the ideals and selfless devotion of Florence Nightingale. I got rid of have and I said it also signifies the knowledge and learning that graduates have attained during their years in the nursing program. This lamp is still used today with the pinning ceremonies. You want to make this a comma, and then you can say you may find the lamp in some of modern nursing pins today. You don't need a whole sentence here. Now we're going into the cap. The nursing cap is a reminder of the unchanging values, wisdom, faith, honesty, trust, and dedication. These values are still important today as it was in the era of washing floors that was of required nursing skill. You can I think I changed something there. I think I changed it. I think it was were and I changed it to was. The caps were used to keep their long hair from their face and prevent the hair from becoming soiled. And also, I think you need to put this paragraph along with this paragraph. For a paragraph, you need 4 sentences, and since they're basically about the same thing, you can put them together in one paragraph. Here, also, you'd want to put down the year that the article was published, comma. I put states. Research demonstrated that the cap helped colonize organisms organisms rather than protecting patients. The cap is still used by some colleges as a symbol for wisdom, faith, honesty, trust, and dedication. I did delete one sentence in today's technology-filled hospitals. There was one sentence that you had in there that I did delete. It didn't make sense of where it was. Florence realized that the only way to improve healthcare is to educate reliable, high-quality nurses. And then you should put an and this holds true today. This last paragraph, you want to summarize the whole paper here. So you need to add a little more into this last paragraph. Florence Nightingale showed us that we strive to maintain a high standard of care and education. We can do this today by a higher education, license, and certification. Nurses need to be able to demonstrate the knowledge and education. I changed one of your words here to they. All right. And at the end of this paper, you want to put your references. And any reference that you get in an article, you need to reference it. So if you found something like the nursing cap reminder of unchanging values, wisdom, faith, and honesty and dedication, if you got that from an article, you need to make sure that you reference it. All right. Otherwise, I think you're doing a great job. Hang in there and call me with any questions. Thanks.